How to use ChatGPT properly, part 5. This is probably the most important tip and the one that people get wrong all the time. Basically, a lot of people use ChatGPT and are not happy with the output, but at no point did they actually tell ChatGPT what they expected. In this series of videos, we're covering the RISEN framework, RISEN, that's role, instruction, steps, end goal, and narrowing. And today we're talking about end goal. Basically, whenever you talk to ChatGPT, make sure you tell it what you actually want from it. This sounds like common sense, but a lot of people just don't do it. If you want your results in a table, for example, make sure you tell ChatGPT that you want it in a table. If you want to write a cover letter for a job application, make sure that you tell ChatGPT that this is your intent and what you want the end result to do. This way, ChatGPT isn't just guessing, but it actually knows what it should be aiming for. So make sure you explicitly state the end goal and your expectations of what you want. This is part of a series teaching you how to use ChatGPT. You can download the whole guide if you follow the link in the comments. Just hold down on that and that's going to allow you to copy the link and download a free copy.